Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the break statement. Break statement in C. So we have already used this break statement in switch case, right? So what happened when we use the break statement? So here we have a switch case and NO is a variable. So whatever the number is there in the NO variable, so we have multiple cases. If case 1 means what? That if my number, means that if NO is equal to 1, right? Means if NO has a 1, in that case, this case will be executed, right? So this is my statement 1, whatever we want to do. And after that, we have a break statement. What does it mean? The meaning of the break statement is wherever the compiler will find a break statement, after that it will check for the bracket or a block and it will immediately come out from that block. So this is the main use of the break. So whenever you want to come out from that particular block, this is the block, right? So whenever you want to come out from that current block, you can use break statement. So this is the use of break. So let's see its some important points about it. So why we use or when we use the break statement? So to discontinue normal execution, right? So whenever you are performing the normal execution and suppose you want to discontinue it, but for that particular block, so what it will do, it will directly jump out from the current block. Current block means, now we know the meaning of block means this curly brackets, right? It can be of for, it can be of any function, it can be of if, it can be of switch, any kind of block. It can be of nested structures, nested for, nested if, anything. But we are talking, when we say block, means we are talking about this particular opening and closing braces. So as we know that break statements jump out from the current block, but this break statement is individual, is an independent, means it does not require, it does not contain any condition, but we need to put the condition, right? Because we want to apply something. So to put the condition, we can use if and switch, like if so and so, then break, like that. So we can say that break is an independent statement. So condition is not the part of it, right? So this is about the break statement. One more example we have here. So here we have a while loop, as we used switch case over here. Here we have while loop. So what happens in the while loop? See, here we have while loop and we are just checking the condition NO less than or equal to 100 and we want to do something. What we want to do? We are simply printing the value of NO every time. Every time we are printing the value of NO, and every time even we are checking that if NO is equal to 2, if the value is 2, in that case what it has to do? It has to perform break. The meaning of break means whenever the value of NO will be 2, it will come out from this block. It will come out from this block, because we are talking about, as we know that it focus on block. So this is block, right? So it will come out from this particular block and it will again it will work on this. You can use break statement and you can check out by your own by using this break in multiple blocks in multiple ways, right? So let's sum up the break statement. Break statement, first, suppose we have multiple blocks, right? And suppose you have written your break statement over here. In that case, it will work for this particular block, right? It will work for this particular block, and whenever the condition will be satisfied, it will come out from this block. So if we sum up the break statement, we can say that whenever you want to discontinue your normal execution, depending on the situation, you can use the break statement, and this break statement will jump out from the current block, right? So it is about the break statement.